Well, welcome back. Hope you're having a good afternoon and had a good lunch. We have more documents for you. The defense has filed a verified motion of certificate of appearance regarding out-of-state witnesses. Here we go. Verified motion of certificate of appearance regarding out-of-state witnesses, State of Indiana versus Richard M. Allen. Comes now Bradley A. Rosie, counsel for defendant Richard M. Allen, pursuant to IC 35-37-5-5, and respectfully requests that this court issue a certificate of appearance under the seal of the court, directing material witness Dr. Monica Walla to appear and testify at the jury trial in this cause. In support of said motion, Attorney Rosie swears and affirms as follows. 1. The jury trial in this matter is set to commence on Monday, October 14th, 2024 at 9 a.m., at which time jury selection will commence in Allen County, Indiana. 2. By direction of the court, opening arguments will begin on Friday, October 18th, 2024. 3. While awaiting trial, defendant Allen was detained for a period greater than 1 year in Westville Correctional Facility, Maximum Security Segregation Unit, pursuant to a safekeeping order issued by the Honorable Judge Benjamin A. Diener on the 3rd day of November 2022. Pursuant to said order, custody of defendant Allen was transferred to Indiana Department of Corrections while defendant Allen awaited trial. 4. While at that facility, defendant Allen was assigned to a psychologist, Dr. Monica Walla, who was at the time employed by IDOC's third-party mental health provider, Centurion. 5. On or about July 31st, 2024, Dr. Walla remained employed at Centurion and testified at pretrial hearings in this cause. 6. In the days following her testimony, Dr. Walla was issued a gate disclosure by the Indiana Department of Corrections, and it is believed that Dr. Walla is no longer employed with Centurion. The defense just recently became aware of said gate disclosure and apparent termination of employment with Centurion. 7. Centurion's legal representative, Attorney Robert Brandt, did communicate to Attorney Rosie via email on September 18, 2024, that he no longer represents Dr. Walla and cannot accept service for any subpoena or other documents directed to her. Attorney Brandt further represented that he no longer represents any of the other party or non-party involved in this case and therefore cannot accept service on behalf of Centurion or any other Centurion provider. 8. Defendant Allen's attorney believes but are not certain that Dr. Walla currently resides at 4657 North Canfield Avenue, Norridge, Illinois 60706. Dr. Walla also confirmed during prior testimony that she resided in the state of Illinois. Therefore, defendant Allen desires to secure the appearance of testimony of Dr. Walla, an out-of-state witness, through the process provided for in IC 35-37-5-5. 9. Defendant Allen believes that Dr. Walla is a material witness in this case for the following reasons. A. Dr. Walla was assigned to Richard Allen as his treating psychologist while he was incarcerated at the Westville Correctional Facility for over 1 year. B. Dr. Walla met with Richard Allen on numerous occasions during his stay at Westville, nearly all of which were intended to address and monitor the state of Richard Allen's mental health. C. Nearly all of the communications between Dr. Walla and the defendant, Richard Allen, occurred in confidential and privileged therapeutic sessions. D. The state intends to introduce as evidence in this trial incriminating statements made by Richard Allen while incarcerated at Westville Correctional Facility. E. The defendant intends to prove that incriminating statements made by Richard Allen or defendant Allen were involuntary and resulted from conditions surrounding his incarceration. F. Dr. Walla was in a position such that her medical opinion regarding his psychiatric condition is relevant to these proceedings. Number 10. The defense believes that Dr. Walla's testimony will require approximately 2 full days and specifically requests that this honorable court order Dr. Walla to appear on or Monday, November 11th, 2024, and Tuesday, November 12th, 2024, to testify at the trial in this cause. 11. Defendant Allen seeks a certificate of appearance from this court acknowledging Dr. Walla's materiality in this cause and specifically specifying the number of days Dr. Walla will be required to attend the trial in this cause. Defendant Allen further requests that said order be certified under the seal of this court. 12. Defendant Allen then intends to present such order to a court of record in Cook County, Illinois, the county and state in which Dr. Walla is believed to reside. Defendant Allen intends to utilize this process to secure Dr. Walla's appearance at the trial in this cause. And 13. The defendant Allen intends to tender a sum of expenses equal to the amount of provider under IC 33-37-10-2 to reimburse Dr. Walla for her attendance at the trial, all fees which shall be charged upon Carroll County, Indiana, where this prosecution is pending. And it is signed Bradley A. Rosie, 23365-09. So, looks like the defense is going to use Dr. Walla's testimony in their case. We'll see what's next. Are we going to hear from the prosecution? More from the defense? Time will tell. We'll see you next time on Deb's True Crime Notebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell for all notifications, share this in your groups and with a friend, and leave us some comments. We love hearing from you.